Hello guys, what's up? So I'm back again for another tutorial video. So in this video, I will gonna show you how you can find your recordings in OBS screen recorder. So if you are interested, then keep on watching. But before all that, if you are new to my channel, consider to like and subscribe for more videos like this, and also, you can comment down below if you have something that you want me to make a tutorial about. So without further ado, let's start the tutorial. So to find your recordings in OBS, it's actually pretty easy, just follow what I'm gonna do. So for the first step, of course, you will need to open your OBS screen recorder. And after opening your OBS, next, I want you to go to settings right here. And once you're on settings, I want you to go to the output section. And here in the output section, I want you to scroll down a little until you find the recording section. And here in the recording section, you will now be able to see the recording path, which tells you where your recordings are saved in your file manager. So just open your file manager and follow the location path that is written here. So in my case, it says that the first path I should go is the C drive. So to go to C drive, just go to this PC section. And after that, you will now be able to see the C drive, just go and click it. And with that, we have now completed the first path. So for the second path, we just need to find the folder that has this name. So just scroll down until you find the folder. Once you've found the folder, just go and click it. And after that, there it is guys, it's done. Congratulations, we have now found the location where all of our OBS screen recordings are saved. And so that's just how you do it guys. Now that you've watched this video, you can now do it yourself. So that concludes our tutorial video for today. I hope it helped you. Thanks for watching, goodbye.